Hi, welcome you all to Timeline.js tutorials. So first of all, we have to go to nightlab.northwestern.edu. So this is the site where you are able to see all storytelling tools. These all storytelling tools are considered to be the interactive tools. So they are meant for the storytelling. So when you click on projects, so you are able to see those storytelling tools. There are 6 storytelling tools. Among one is Timeline.js. So click on the Timeline.js. So it allows you to create Timeline.js. So before we go to the creation of Timeline.js, you need to just go through some of the tips, tricks which you need to adapt, and these are the 4 tips and tricks to make your timeline more effective. So there are few steps in creating the timeline. My sincere advice to all the teachers is, so whichever the timeline you want to create, first you make a plan in the Word sheet or otherwise Excel sheet. So accordingly you just go ahead to create the timeline. So when you come down, these are some of the examples of already created timelines that you can have a look also. So now we have come to the creation area. So first step in the creation of Timeline.js is creation of your spreadsheets. Means the thing is that your data has to be put in a Google spreadsheet, so that from the Google spreadsheet the information is taken by Timeline.js and it converts into a Java code, and as plot it displays in the form of a code or otherwise a link, so that can be viewed in a browser, or otherwise you can embed the code in the website, or otherwise you can embed the code in the blog or any other area. Now to get the Google Webs spreadsheet, click on the get spreadsheet. So it takes you to your Google Drive. Click on make a copy. Soon after that it opens a spreadsheet. So this spreadsheet is nothing but it's already a template which is created by the Timeline.js people. So you cannot change the header of this spreadsheet, but you can modify all the parameters which are present under each header. So you cannot change anything else which are there in the header, but you can modify the information which is present in the rows. So you can disturb the rows, but you cannot disturb the columns. The column headers cannot be disturbed. But in this you need to study one by one column, and accordingly you need to put the input. The first row always gives you the information of the spreadsheet or the timeline which you are going to create in the spreadsheet. So it is one way we can consider it as a title of your Timeline.js. So title and the crisp information of that particular concept will comes under the text, and the heading comes under the headline. Your title will comes under the headline. So this is the way normally you need to start. When we come to the third row and fourth row, so in the third row you are giving a particular input regarding a particular timeline, and that from which date to which date it has happened, what is the heading of that timeline, and what is the information regarding that. And here you have media column in the L. In this media column you can paste the link of an image or otherwise any other video which is of YouTube or otherwise from other video platforms or other image platforms. So we will see how a video or otherwise a image can be pasted over here. So I'm just removing this tool here. You just open a browser, and in this you just click video on cell structure. So once you click on it, you will be able to get several videos. So click on it, and so this is the media, but you wanted to share, means you want to get that particular URL. Click on
Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter
So
what
copy the
type of
link.
cell they are.
Once you have copied the link,
Cells have a cell membrane.
then you go back to the template, and here you right click and just, so this is the URL, it has been pasted. Now what you have done, you have collected the URL of the video which you wanted to show here, and you have copied the link from there and you have pasted here. See, we are not using other videos as such, that we are using already which are available in the YouTube or other such video hosting websites or platforms. Similarly, you can go for the image also. So in the second column, I am removing the existing image link, and I am searching of a image. I am just a cell image. So in this, there are different kinds of cells are present. Now click on any one of the image. Click on here, and then what you need to do is you just right click. If you right click, you will be getting several things. Among them, there is a thing called copy image link. You copy it. Go back to the sheets menu, then you paste it. In this way, you can either paste the link, or otherwise you can paste the image of a video or the image. So after that, what you need to give is, you have to give the credit to the media which you have used. So here the media credit, I have used nucleus. So that's why I have given credit. And you can also give the caption, cell structure. So in this way, you need to fill all the columns. Soon after that, it is ready for the publish. So once you want to publish this information, go to file, publish the web. Then you are not going to publish the entire document. Click on it, you will get a OD1. Then you publish, and it asks you want to publish. Click OK. Then you will be getting a URL. This you can be copied, otherwise this you can be copied, anything. So once you copy, then you just go back to timeline and come down to third step. Place your cursor in this box and paste the link. Once you have pasted the link, you just come down. These are the settings of the Timeline.js by default. So here also there are some settings. If you want to modify those settings, language of your timeline, fonts of your timeline, or otherwise slide number, zoom levels, all these things can be done here, but we use as such with the default settings. And if you just come to the fourth step, here already what you have pasted here, based on that link, it has developed link and embed code for your timeline. So before that, you recheck first of all your timeline has come in a desired way. Click on preview. So when you click on preview, it shows you the information regarding this. See here, whatever the media you have pasted, the pasted media is here. So whatever the image you have pasted, the image is here. So like this, you can develop timeline by using Timeline.js. You can embed text, you can embed image, you can embed a media like video, everything you can be. Once you satisfy with your timeline, then go back, copy this URL or link, and you can open, you can paste it, and you can open in a new browser. Paste, and this is the one which you are able to see in the browser. This way you are able to see here in the bottom, that is the chronologically here it is coming accordingly the timeline, and you are able to see what are the events in the timeline. So this is the way you can create timeline of any concept which is having a strong chronological order. So thank you for watching.